Welcome to part 2 of our Mango Dragon Fruit Refreshers. This is a drink popularized by Starbucks. So if you haven't yet tried this drink, you can try this drink after watching this video clip. Now this is part 2 of my 2-part series. Part 1 being the introduction. I showed you how to make your own homemade dragon fruit syrup. So make sure you watch that before watching this video clip. Check the link above for that. Typical of my channel, I am going to recreate this Starbucks drink with a chow twist. We are going to make 3 different types of base for this drink. So the 3 options are using the same as Starbucks, using lemonade. I'm using lime. Here is my freshly squeezed lime juice here. So it is mango dragon fruit lemonade. The second one is using green tea as base. So what I did is I made a cold brew green tea. Finally, it's going to be more satisfying and more filling. I'm going to use milk as base, not just an ordinary milk. I'm going to use coconut milk. For all the recipes today, I'm going to use 16 ounces glass and I'm going to use a shaker. The reason why I use shaker with this refreshing drinks is because I'd like to infuse the flavor with my base as much as possible. So using a shaker or a milk frother will do. Now, let's take a look at all the other ingredients. Of course, we are going to use my homemade dragon fruit syrup. Now, why do you have to make it homemade? For those of you that do not have access to fresh dragon fruit, you probably will not be able to find dragon fruit syrup easily either. So what you do is to get one fruit and you can make it a lot more by turning it into a syrup, and you can keep the syrup for up to 1 month refrigerated. I'm also going to use my homemade mango puree. You can use commercial puree or syrup for mangoes. They are easily accessible, and my secret to this is to always add a little bit of vanilla syrup. Again, this is homemade. Check out the link above on how to make it at home. And of course, because I am in Thailand where dragon fruit is abundant, I am going to use some fresh dragon fruit to mix with my drinks. Now, Thailand is the second largest grower of dragon fruit in Southeast Asia, Vietnam being the first. So you can easily find dragon fruit here. I have lots of mango here, so I'm going to use some fresh mangoes to decorate and garnish my drinks. First drink, we're going to make mango dragon fruit lemonade refresher. So that means our base will be lemon juice. For this one, I am going to use 1 tablespoon of my lemon juice. This time I'm going to use tablespoon for measuring so that for those at home, it will be easy to recreate. 1 teaspoon of my mango puree, not a lot there. Also 1 teaspoon of my vanilla syrup. And finally, because I'd like the color to be more red than yellow, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my dragon fruit syrup. Add 1/2 cup of water. Into the shaker, add some ice. Do not use a lot of ice because I still prefer to pour the mixture over ice later. Now let's assemble our drink. Into the serving glass, add some fresh dragon fruit, some fresh mangoes, more ice, and then pour the shaken mixture over. If the glass is not full, add a little bit more ice and give it a stir. Next, mango dragon fruit refresher using green tea as base. Into the shaker, 1 teaspoon of mango puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup, 1 tablespoon of dragon fruit syrup, 1/2 cup or 120 ml of green tea, some ice, shake vigorously, and let's set it aside for when we assemble our drink. Into the serving glass, mangoes, dragon fruit, ice, and pour the shaken mixture over. The color of this one is darker, and this is your green tea mango dragon fruit refresher. And finally, mango dragon fruit using coconut milk as base. Into the shaker, 1 teaspoon of mango puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup, 1 tablespoon of dragon fruit syrup, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, some ice, and shake. In the serving glass, more dragon fruit. I am very generous here. More mangoes, some ice, and pour the mixture over. mango dragon fruit latte, green tea, mango dragon fruit, and mango dragon fruit lemonade. And now for my favorite part, it is time to taste all these delicious drinks. The recipes that I have indicated here are commercial. You can adjust them according to your preferences. It also depends on the syrups that are available to you. Some syrups are sweeter than others, so make sure you make that adjustment. But first, follow my recipe and then make your adjustments. Okay, first drink, it is the plain lemonade with mango and also dragon fruit. That is more than just your regular lemonade. The lingering taste is that of mango. I think mango is stronger, is sweeter, and then it is complemented by the lime, which is a little bit sour. Dragon fruit makes it sweeter because we kind of made a syrup out of the dragon fruit. For those that have not yet tried a dragon fruit, it is a toss between a pear and a kiwi. I cannot taste the dragon fruit in here, but the combination of all these fruits just makes it very, very special. Dragon fruit, of course, adds that bit of color, which is making this drink look so glamorous. So there you go. Okay, next one, it is the green tea. Somehow this is even better than the first one, but I still could taste the mango. First taste is that of mango. It must be that my mango is very, very strong. And then the green tea somehow is packing a little bit more of a punch to this drink. It is still very refreshing, even more so. And of course, the thought that it has more antioxidants because of the green tea makes this even more appealing to me. I think this one is stronger in taste than just the plain lemonade. Finally, coconut milk. Wow, the taste of that coconut milk. I am becoming a fan of that coconut milk. It is absolutely delicious. It is refreshing, but more than that, it is satisfying. It is filling. This is something that I probably would have if I want to skip breakfast. It's going to give me that energy for the whole day. It is absolutely delicious. Milky mango dragon fruit refresher. It is so good. Okay, so now you have 3 more additional items on your menu. Give these options to your customers. They're not difficult to make. They're really the same ingredients. You're just changing the base, and I'm sure that your customers will keep coming back for more. I would love to make these drinks as often as I can. Start saving money, make these drinks at home, follow my recipes, and also watch all my other video tutorials. In the meantime, if you have any questions about any of these recipes, do let me know in the comment below. I'll try my best to answer all of them. Also, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated each time I post on this channel. Take care, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.